everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen and welcome to day one of Burtober. Burtober is the Inktober prompt list that I chose to use this year. It was created by Darkest Raven Design. So every day this month I will be doing the prompt list is inspired by Tim Burton. Whether the designs or not, we are yet to be determined. But day one is definitely inspired by Tim Burton. I chose to go with a very classic Nightmare Before Christmas. I went with a 0. The prompt is grave, so I did 0 and his gravestone. I also put a couple other gravestones in there towards the end, just a little nod to the Haunted Mansion. So my take on Inktober, Burtober, whatever this year, is that I'm actually going to do whatever I want as long as it involves ink. And if you're watching, you probably already know I love to art journal, so a lot of these pages may end up being art journals. Some may just be quick drawings. Who knows what will happen towards the end of the month if I get tired. But I will just be creating whenever I feel the urge. I will be sharing everything on Instagram, and also I will do a flip through at the end of the month, or maybe even once or twice in the middle depending on how far I get, just to show you my progress and where I am. So this one does end up being an art journal page just because, you know, that's me. I enjoy art journaling and that just felt the best today, so that's what I did. And definitely let me know what you think in the description or comment box below. I love to hear from you. If you have any questions about anything I use, anything I do, let me know. I'd happily answer. If it wasn't for you guys, I definitely wouldn't be here. So thanks for watching. I will play a little bit of haunted Halloween-y type music. So sit back, relax, and enjoy while I create Burtober Day 1 Grave.